In the 1920s, glowing paint was considered healthy. The women who worked with it were told, "It's safer than milk." It wasn't. Welcome to You Won't Believe History, where the past didn't just lose its mind, it actively poisoned people and called it progress. When radium was discovered, people thought it was magic. Doctors prescribed it, companies bottled it, people drank it on purpose. It was in toothpaste, chocolate, water, because if it glows, it must be good for you. Right? Wrong. Very wrong. For young women in the 1920s, painting watch dials was the perfect job. It paid well. It was considered safe. And the paint glowed beautifully in the dark. To sharpen the brush, they were taught a simple technique called lip pointing. Dip the brush, lick the tip, paint the numbers. They were told it was harmless. They were lied to. Then, the symptoms began. Toothaches, jaw pain, teeth falling out. Doctors were confused. The companies were not. The companies knew radium was dangerous. Their male chemists wore lead aprons. The women? Nothing. When workers got sick, the companies blamed syphilis. They lied in writing. Here's the horrifying part. Radium behaves like calcium, so when you ingest it, your bones absorb it, and it doesn't stop. It keeps irradiating you from the inside for the rest of your life. Despite being desperately ill, these women sued, weak, dying, but determined. Their fight changed history, workplace safety laws, radiation standards, corporate accountability. Some radium factories are still radioactive today, nearly 100 years later. The glow never really faded. The Radium Girls weren't careless. They were lied to. And because they spoke up, millions of workers today are safer. Subscribe for more unbelievable history. Because sometimes the scariest stories actually happened.